In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by selecting an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and launching it in the background. In order to do that, tap on the chosen one. And if you are using Turkish navigation, use this button with 3 lines. Then click on the icon of an app available at the top. Select Open in split screen view and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you change your mind and you wish to switch places of those apps, click on those 3 dots in the middle of them and use this icon of 2 arrows. To exit split screen view, you need to hold those 3 dots and swipe one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!